Well, it's Tuesday, and I don't even know what date it is. Probably the 9th or so. Anyway, I was bored. I spent the whole morning doing other stuff, and I was bored sitting around. So I came out here about an hour ago, and I put the new front brake cable on, so it works very nicely. I'll be taking it apart, of course, once I turn the bike around to do the brakes and the tire, but still, it's installed and it works and it looks really good. I put the air cleaners together and put them on the bike. They look good. I put the new clutch cable on the bike. So now we've got the clutch cable, and I put the clutch plates back in. So it got good clutch action. Just finished that. Something snapped, I don't care. Okay, get good play here. That's what. Good play. And a good smooth run all the way down, around, and under. So now it's 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna call it a day. I didn't even think to turn the cooler on because I came out here just for 5 minutes to fool around. You know, just fool around, not doing nothing, just sort of fooling around. And instead spend an hour, and it's hot. So I'm gonna call it a day and go inside. So here's some bits and pieces that still need to be cleaned. Here's bits and pieces that are all clean and ready to go back together. Tomorrow I will go rattle the chain of the guy who's doing the buffing and see what's happening, as in, ¿qué pasa? So, got a little cleaning to do here. Anyway, so I'm done. 6 o'clock at night, been here for about an hour, and I'm gonna call her done. Get her done.